What if I tell you that the most versatile substance ever engineered by humans has now become the worst problem mankind has to face? We are talking about plastic. The plastic used for packaging food, storing water, to the building of modern car parts and toothbrushes is causing great concern to environment. The issue starts when the same stuffs mostly made of plastic are discarded and have nowhere to go, other than landfill and dumped into the local environment. Currently only 9% of plastic ever produced is recycled. That means the total number of toothbrushes we have ever used since childhood still exists in nature. Every year up to 1 million people die due to repercussions caused due to mismanagement of waste plastic. Plastic bags kill about 100,000 animals and expose children to severe lung complications. Manufacturing of plastics produces a substantial amount of toxic fumes. These fumes not only pollute the atmosphere, but also pollute the rainwater, and thus the toxic waste enters the groundwater and seas. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is almost entirely made of plastic. These plastics then disintegrate into microplastic grains which are impossible to locate and track, polluting groundwater and atmosphere while releasing greenhouse gases. Plastic and allied manufacturing waste disrupts the food chain and climate. Half of all the plastic ever manufactured have been synthesized in the last 15 years. Plastic production have increased astronomically from 2.3 million tons in the 1950s to 448 million tons in 2015 itself, and the numbers are bound to exceed. Currently, about 8 million tons of plastic waste escapes in the oceans annually due to ill waste management and pure ignorance. Every day, we dump hundreds of tons of waste. A majority of it is plastic. Though plastic is a versatile and recyclable product, mismanagement and carelessness has led to serious human and animal threat. Plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose. Hence, letting plastic waste loose can have negative impacts for the environment. From big ocean plastic pools, to microplastics in our food, hell even found in baby fetus. Solid steps should be taken as soon as possible. Unessential packaging, undisposed plastic bottles, cigarette butts, though seen very little, have hazardous impacts on wildlife. Let's self-monitor our plastic waste, and take steps to mitigate waste, reuse, upcycle and recycle. Let's take steps towards sustainable life. You will part of this existing journey. Just follow us on social media. For zero waste living and sustainable practices, just support us.